Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be looking at the earplug survival kit. Before we get into that, I want to remind you we have a giveaway going for our aerosol degreaser and a basic degreaser from Super Clean, as well as a Super Clean hat. If you're interested in that, all you have to do is leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, go ahead and share the video. You'll be entered. Be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. Good luck to everybody. Let's get into the video. So here we have a very basic small kit. These are the earplugs you take on an airplane or to the shooting range. And yeah, go ahead and bring you down. So for cordage, we just have our thread on a roll. We have a good amount of cordage there. For fire starting, we have 2 matches with a striker. For navigation, we have a very small button compass. And we have to pop it out like that. Here we have our cutting tool, which is half of a razor blade, some duct tape around it. Another way of firing and starting, we have a ferro rod, which you strike on, creating sparks to start a fire. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck in the giveaway. Have a nice day.